How to choose chemical-free cosmetics. Many people choose to live a healthy, clean, and natural lifestyle by changing their diet. However, skin products may be just as harmful to your health as the food you eat. Cosmetics for both women and men contain potentially hazardous or toxic chemicals. If you are concerned about the chemicals being absorbed through your skin, learn how to buy chemical-free cosmetics. Avoiding chemicals in cosmetics. Shop at health or natural stores. Instead of going to your local supermarket, consider shopping at a health store for cosmetics. You may be able to find an all-natural cosmetic store in your area. These stores will offer more cosmetic choices that are all-natural, organic, or chemical-free. Many supermarkets, and some larger superstores, have sections dedicated to organic and natural products. Look for these sections in your local store and see what they offer. You can also order natural and chemical-free cosmetics online. Remember, though you are shopping at a health store or Whole Foods, you still should read labels. Become familiar with safe brands. Many brands offer natural or chemical-free cosmetics. Some may only be available in your local health store, while others may be found in some department stores or supermarket. Learn to spot familiar and trusted brands that have no chemicals. Some popular natural, chemical-free brands include Dr. Bronner's, Tom's of Maine, Hugo Naturals, Plantlife, Burt's Bees, Aubrey Organics, and Michelle. Look for chemical-free cosmetics. Some popular cosmetic companies are releasing products with harmful products removed. These products may say phthalate-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free. However, remember to always look at the label. Double-check the ingredients to make sure they haven't added additional chemicals, although they took out one or two. Avoid certain characteristics. Remembering every chemical to avoid can be difficult. You may start keeping a list of the ingredients to avoid on you at all times. However, if you forget your list, or you are just starting to switch to chemical-free, there are some keywords and general characteristics for cosmetics you can memorize for a quick and easy start to chemical-free cosmetics. If you can't remember every chemical to avoid, the following tips can be a helpful quick guide. When buying hand sanitizer, go for products with 60% ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Avoid the word triclosan on the label. Don't buy SPF over 50 or with added insect repellent. Avoid sunscreen in aerosols or powder forms. Instead, buy sunscreen with zinc or titanium dioxide. Limit usage of dark permanent hair dye and chemical hair straighteners. Avoid fragrance and perfumes in any cosmetic product. Avoid products with the words paraben and triclosan. Make your own cosmetics. The effects of many commercially available products can be achieved using natural, DIY at-home alternatives. The internet is full of recipes for all-natural face washes, face masks, hair products, and body scrubs. Try using honey, oil, or oatmeal to clean your face. You can make body scrubs with sugar and oil or even coffee grounds. You can treat your hair with eggs, honey, mayonnaise, and even vinegar. You can even make your own makeup, perfume, and even hand sanitizer. Use fewer cosmetics. The fewer cosmetics you use, the fewer chemicals you are introducing into your body. Think about which cosmetics you can live without. Cut it out of your routine to eliminate those chemicals. For example, ask yourself questions about the products you use. Can you go without foundation makeup? How about aftershave? Do you need to use hair products? Make a list of products you can eliminate and stop buying them.